Welcome to Exhibits Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon. Live po tayo dito sa ating studio sa San Pedro, Laguna. At Exhibit Today is always giving you an information, the coming event. At syempre, one of the prestigious event that will happen in the Philippines is the CONEX 2024. At syempre, pag sinabing CONEX, hindi pwedeng mawala one of the good quality na produkto at syempre binigyan ng mahusay na kumpanya, siyempre ang Besbo. At kasama po natin ngayon ang kanilang manager at napakagwapo. Alam ko maraming maglalike nito. Let's welcome Mr. Alden Chua. Magandang araw, sir.
Good morning, Pastor. And thank you for having us again in Exhibits Today.
It's an honor to us kasi talaga naman tayong dalawa mag-partner eh. Ang Exhibits Today sa Besbo. At kasama natin ang video, siyempre. Okay, sir, let's talk about this Besbo, sir. Kailan ba nag-start talaga itong Besbo at bakit siya na-create itong kumpanya nito, sir?
Well, yung Besbo ay our flagship brand when it comes to piping. So kami ay ang exclusive distributor ng Besbo since 1995.
1995 po?
Tagal na. Mga almost 30 years. This product has been almost 30 years in the market. And this product actually is called PPR pipes. And tayo ang una nakapagdala ng PPR pipes in all of Asia.
Wow.
Kasi before, ginagamit ng mga karaniwang tao sa mga construction site is mga galvanized iron. And the problem with GI pipes, ito ay nag-rust, nag-scaling, at nag-leak. Kaya let's say when nagbukas kayo ng tubig using a galvanized iron, the kulay ng tubig ay minsan brown, minsan dilaw. Kasi may scaling, may bacteria. So lalo na ngayon na new normal design na tayo, and new normal design has to be pandemic proof. So kailangan malinis yung tubig natin, drinking water, shower, faucet, kailangan malinis. Kaya naglabas tayo ng PPR noong 1995 para bukod sa malinis, wala ka ng leak, tsaka wala ka ng rust. Kaya yung whole waterline system ng mga bahay ay protected from those issues tsaka mga negativities of mga galvanized iron pipes. Kaya yun ang history ng Besbo, kaya nilabas namin noong 1995. Para as part of our philosophy kasi ng kumpanya natin na ma-upgrade ang piping system ng bansa natin na para up to par or better tayo than Western countries when it comes to piping systems.
And only Besbo can give that quality and good services, right, sir?
Besbo lang kasi tayo lang yung may proprietary technology na nakakapatay ng viruses and bacteria. Kaya hospital grade and medical grade din ang pipe natin. Kaya ito yung magandang klaseng pipe na ikapit sa mga bahay.
At very exciting yung ating mga tagapakinig at mga viewers po natin na this is the wonderful product from Besbo. So, nakita natin yung operation niya, yung benefits niya, sir. Sino ba talaga yung ating target market dito sa gagawing CONEX 2024, sir? Ano ba yung gusto natin iparating sa mga Pilipino, sir?
Yung target market natin, as you can see, yung CONEX ay organized by the UAP. UAP is the organization of mga architects, stands for United Architects of the Philippines. Yes. At yun ang target natin for this exhibit, mga architects. Para makita ng mga architects and ma-specify na mga architects ang tubo natin, which is Besbo, para ma-upgrade ang mga project nila at matuwa ang mga owner na, let's say, yung mga architect nila, at least na-upgrade yung mga design, and that includes yung mga piping system design. So that yung bahay nila, yung buong bahay, yung piping system ng mga kliyente nila, lifetime na yung bahay for not just water line, but also for sanitary line and sprinkler line.
Yun ang mahalaga, yung sanitary, siyempre, tsaka yung kalusugan. At maganda na yung kanilang produkto, yung kanilang quality, ng kanilang gagawin ng mga project. Tama po ba, sir?
Oo. Tsaka yan, part of a new normal design. Kaya tayo on our part, nag-innovate din tayo, in-upgrade natin yung piping system natin para maging pandemic proof. So, ito ay nakaka-benepisyo sa mga homeowner and mga tenants. So, in terms of commercial places, residential, at least, bawat bahay and bawat Pilipino ay makaka-benefit from this new and innovative piping system that we are bringing at the same price. So no cost implication, but mas maganda yung benefits. ng piping system natin.
And you are joining Conex to demonstrate and to see, makita ng mga tao yung demonstration, siyempre with a little bit discussion and orientation on the day of Conex 2024. Makikita ho ba kayo nila, sir? At siyempre, i-demo ba natin itong sinasabi niyong produkto nito, sir?
Yes, sir. Actually, makikita natin yung live demo and actually all the details
Wow.
and the scientific reason behind it. That's why everything will be very comprehensive. They will know about yung Vesmo BioCoat, which is the one that kills the viruses and the bacteria, and how BioCoat technology works, na how nag-collaborate itong German company and itong UK company to create this Vesmo BioCoat piping system na can destroy viruses and bacteria with the inside film na nakalagay sa pipes natin. So actually, very comprehensive yung mga details, very comprehensive yung mga discussion, and my live demo also, so that ma-appreciate the mga architects and of course everyone else who will be visiting our booth for Conex ang Vesmo BioCoat piping system natin.
Wow, that's exciting po yan, sir. So merong live demo at siyempre orientation po. Kasama po natin dyan, siyempre, Mr. Alden Chua. At sir, what do you expect pa on the day of Conex? Ano ba yung booth number natin? At ano ba yung mga makikita nila? Siyempre, may mga makikita pa rin tayo dyan, mga iba't ibang mga tools at siyempre, mga demonstration po. Di po ba, sir?
Yes. Booth number natin actually, pagpasok nyo sa SMX, since the venue is in SMX, we are one of the first booths at the right side. So tayo yung it will be a 6-meter booth, very high booth, and color yellow siya. Kaya pagpasok, color yellow, maraming ilaw, and it's built by Binyu Design. Kaya makikita nyo kagad. Kaya kita-kita kagad yan.
Thank you very much. Ako, iba talagang Alden Chua. Iba talagang honorable Alden Chua. Alright, sir. Meron nagtetext sa atin, ha? May mga nanonood na sa atin yan, sir. Ang tanong nila, how can you compare your price in the other players, sir?
Our price is very competitive. That's why we have been in the market for almost 30 years and accessible siya nationwide. You can buy it in major Home Depots all across the country, and ito ay nagagamit sa major developers also like SMDC, Robinson Land, Ayala, Sibulan Master, Vista. Kaya our price is very competitive.
Wow.
Kasi meron tayong economies of scale, and this economies of scale napapasa natin sa mga customers natin. Kaya may savings din sila. Kasi yung mga discount na yan, at least napapasa din natin sa mga homeowners, contractors, and architects. Kaya very competitive yung presyo natin. And that's why we have been in the industry for almost 30 years for Vesmo Piping.
So we value their money.
Yes, value for money. Oo, more for less.
At syempre, alam mo, ang Vesmo kilala sa katulad namin, we are not only building business, but we build relationship. Hindi kayo mababayaan. Importante, isa po sa mga sikreto ng Vesmo is the after sales service. Tama po ba, sir?
Yes. Tayo ay yan doon to support from the start to the end. So, pagka code pa lang, pagka design pa lang ng piping system down to the after sales and down to the tools needed to connect our pipes. So, the whole system, yan doon tayo from start to finish. And in terms of stock, we have the stock and we have the technology to back it up. Kaya dito pa tayo sa industriya, and kaya tayo ay makikita nyo may kalidad ang mga produkto and may tiwala ng mga developers and architect na kaibigan po natin sa industry.
Nako, we are very excited on that point. So na talagang hindi kayo pababayaan. Mula umpisa hanggang sa dulo, nandiyan ang Vesmo. Kaya lang, sir, may tanong sila, meron ba kayong website at telepono na gusto nyo lang ma-experience ang serbisyo ng Vesmo? Meron ba kayong website o email, sir, na pwedeng kontakin?
You can go to our website. Ito, website natin ay ang company name natin. Our company is called Tech Global Incorporated. So our website is www.techglobal.com.ph. They can also visit our social media in Facebook or Instagram. The handle is Tech Global Incorporated. And they can email us at sales@techglobal.com.ph or call us at our landline or fax or cell phone number. So very accessible tayo. And yung Tech Global, tayo ang exclusive distributor ng Besbo and together with other piping systems from water line, sanitary line, and sprinkler line. Kaya ang slogan natin sa Tech Global is our slogan is the leader in piping innovation kasi yun ang ginagawa natin. Palagi tayo naghahanap at nag-innovate ng new products, new piping technology para mabigay at masubukan ng bawat bahay at bawat Pilipino sa buong bansa.
Wow,
Thank
thank
you
you
po.
very much, sir. Alam ko, marami pa kayong gustong sabihin, pero abangan nyo na lang po sa Conex 2024. Kailan po ba yun, sir? At saan po ang venue po natin?
Ito ay on April 18 to 20. So it will be this coming Thursday to Saturday at SMX at the MOA area sa Pasay City po. So we are inviting everyone, not just architects, but also our industry partners na makapunta po dito so that they can visit us and so that we can showcase the latest in piping systems po. We are hoping everyone can join us and learn more about these new technologies.
Thank you very much. Very informative, very educated yung ating pong discussion with Mr. Alden Chua. Maraming salamat. It's a privilege na maging guest po kayo sa amin at marami ang naliwanagan. Marami po ang makikita nila ang husay at ganda po ng technology ng Besbo. Maraming salamat, sir. At siyempre, naunahan mo na ako. We would like to thank our major sponsor, ang gumawa po ng buti, sir. Sabi niya nga, ang Binyo Design, the original, nakakampi po ni Mr. Alden Chua, siyempre po sa ang exhibits today, at siyempre po sa ngalan po ng aming executive producer na mahal ang industriya ng mga exhibition, Mr. Rick Angeles. Ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon, kasama po ang Besbo with Mr. Alden Chua. Always say, God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you, Pastor, for having us again. And God bless po, and hoping for everyone to come visit us. And thank you again also to Binyo Design for creating a very impressive booth para sa amin po for this Conex 2020.